Atma Namaste. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Hope you are all staying very safe and secure. And thanks a lot for your excellent response and your inquiries, your queries, clarifications, and things like that. In the last two videos, we have covered the basics of Bach flower remedies. And in the previous video, we have spoken about acupuncture, and also I have promised you guys that we will have a Q&A with one of the very leading acupuncturist in Chennai, but he has become too busy after the lifting of the lockdown, so I'm keeping it aside for some time. So today from H Heal and Heal, I would like to talk to you, or rather give you a brief intro onto Sujok. I've just touched upon it in my earlier video also. Acupuncture is like, let's say it's the is umbrella brand, umbrella treatment. Under acupuncture, there are many things. One of them is the Sujok. So acupuncture is very, very, very old, maybe 3,000, 4,000 years old. Okay. After that, a lot of people have gone much deeper into that and try to figure out easier way of doing it. And one of them is Dr. Park from Korea. Of course, Park means it has to be from Korea. And what he has done, he has taken a very deep dive into acupuncture and simplified it in this particular therapy called Sujok therapy. It's very similar to acupuncture, but acupuncture, the thing is that you have to be very knowledgeable, you have to study a lot. It's not that you don't have to study Sujok, but acupuncture is like a ocean. So there are meridians, and within meridians there are so many points. So you have to be very thorough. Whereas in Sujok, he has simplified it and condensed it in the basic. I'm talking about Sujok basic. Sujok has got a lot of advanced techniques also, but I'm just touching upon the basic. So what he has done, as I told you, Sujok means, Su means hands, the palms rather. And Jok means feet. Sujok. So he has brought everything into these two. I mean, it's almost a mirror image. So he has brought it into the palms. So he has identified where each organ is to be kind of figured out in your palms, and based on that he suggests certain therapies. Sujok has got different kind of approach. One is that what we call is the typical needles. Okay, so before I get into the needle, let me also tell you how do you figure out. See, suppose you go to a therapist. If the therapist is very, very clued on, and he knows acupuncture, and he has studied Sujok, he has studied auricular, then what he does is, when you go there, he diagnoses, he figures out what is your issue after hearing you, and then his own way of figuring it out, either by pulse reading or tongue reading, or using this probe and finding out from your palms where is the issue. Then he will kind of design your treatment plan. Either it could be just acupuncture, needles or pressure on your meridians, or you would say that I am going to do Sujok, or you would say that I am going to do auricular. Sometimes people say, okay, your problem is not big, I will manage it with Sujok itself, because Sujok is less painful. Even acupuncture is not painful, but Sujok, since we use very, very thin needle, this is the needle which is used for Sujok. So what happens is, if it is only Sujok, suppose you go to a person who only specializes in Sujok, and what he does is, he will take your inputs in terms of your issues, and then he will use this. This is called the probe. Okay, it's a rod, it's just a probe rod. So he will start going through, he will start trying to figure out what is happening in your hand. When he start touching it, and sometimes he puts pressure also, then suppose you see in this place, then he says, okay, what is this area? This is the stomach area. So you have got something in your stomach, something which is creating problem for you. So he will put a mark here and then he will go around everywhere, and wherever there is some kind of tension area, he will put a mark, and after that he will use these needles and he will start needling it. Few minutes of needling. Okay, clear? So first is the probe on sujok. Second is that needling. As I said, you can use a therapist can use the needle. And there is also something different, which is like very, very typical of sujok. Something called the seed therapy. Seed, S-E-E-D, seed therapy. What's a seed therapy? Let us take a small case. Somebody has got a running nose, cold. So let me tell you. So suppose you take this finger, which is the thumb. This area of the thumb, okay, is the head area. You come down. This is your eyes, both the eyes. You draw a line. This is the nose area, and under the eyes, okay. And this is the lip, mouth area, upper lip and lower lip, and then you go down. This is the throat. Turn it around. This is all from back of the head to your neck, shoulders, and then it goes down. Okay, and this area is the lung area, stomach, and all the other organs across, and this is your intestines areas, and it goes like that. It's your hands. Okay, and so let us focus on one issue today, which is basically you have got a running nose. Suddenly you get drenched in the rain and your nose starts running. So what we suggest in this area, suppose you are at home, what you can do, you get a kind of surgical plaster, smaller than this also you get, and what you do, you take the surgical plaster, just tear it off like this, and you will have black paper at home, black paper. Just put a couple of black paper on this. This is how you put it on that. You just fix it like that, and then plaster the nose area on your thumb. Just plaster it. This is the nose area, and keep pressing it for few seconds, a minute or two, and then leave it and go to bed. Sleep off like that. And next day, morning when you get up, your nose will be very, very clear, guaranteed. Okay. So this is a simple seed therapy. Like that, there are many seeds. For example, you know cumin seed, right? What is cumin seed will do? It eases off your tummy, digestion. So what you can, suppose you have a digestion issue, take some cumin seeds. These are all cumin seeds, and probably a little bit of ajwain in that. Even one pepper also can do, no problem. And then on this sujok area of the stomach, plaster it. Okay, keep pressing it and go to bed with that. Sleep off. If suppose it's a daytime, you have a problem, do that in the daytime, maybe 1 hour or 2 hours. It works very silently on your system. That's the beauty of sujok. And in case you have a problem with your some kind of breathing problem, some kind of congestion, you feel the phlegm is not coming out, it's dry. So what you can do, you can put in this area the same pepper again, because pepper will ease off. Please understand the characteristics of each seed, what it does. Pepper means it generates heat. Cumin seeds means it generates removal of acidity and gas. And clove, what clove does? Okay, clove does, whenever you have a toothache, and today it's a Sunday, you can't go to a dentist. Okay, what you do? Same plaster. Take a piece of clove, put it in this plaster like this, and fix it on your, I told you, this is the area of your mouth. Plaster it. Keep pressing it for some time and relax. See the effect. So it has got many things, many seeds, plus understand the seed. This is only I am talking about quick fixes. Where you are at home, you have a lot of work, you can't go to a doctor or it's a holiday, whatever. So immediate attention. Okay, this is one. And also you have this kind of rings which are available. So in case you have some kind of pain on your neck, okay, so you can put it on your thumb like this and keep rolling it, keep rolling it, keep rolling it. It will give you relief. I am talking about all relief things, okay. One more thing on Sujok is this. This is called the moxa rolls. The moxa rolls. It is stuffed with some kind of herbs from China. I'm sorry, I have to use sometimes the Chinese stuff. There is no other option. And what we do is we light it up with the help of a lamp or a candle. We will light it up, and you will start this area burning. I mean, not like a typical burning. It will start like a doop stick, and it will generate heat. For example, let's again go to the lungs, and there is some kind of congestion in the lungs, and you want immediate relief. So you light it and show it like this on your lung area. This is how you have to do it. For easy thing, this is how you keep on, but don't touch it like that, it will burn. So in this distance, keep it like this for a few seconds. You will see this area kind of developing some kind of heat, and leave it like that and come back again. Do it like this, probably a minute or two, then you will find major relief. Is the same thing for pain also. Suppose you have a neck pain, keep your finger like that and moxa. Okay, so this is the moxa, what we call it moxibustion otherwise. So this is all the basic Sujok stuff. As I said, it's only an intro. I've given you a fair understanding of what is Sujok is all about. We have already crossed 11 minutes, so I don't want the video to be much longer. So the objective of the session, I think I have done justice to that. And any doubts, please raise your queries, and please subscribe to our channel. Please, if you like it, please share it with your friends, and also press the like button. And please contact us if there is anything, any kind of queries or any issues you have. And from next session onwards, it's all going to be very deep diving. My favorite subject, psychological. In that, we will cover the power of the mind, and then go deeper into hypno, regression therapy, past life regressions, inner children. It's a ocean, and I am very passionate about that, and I have seen many of my clients coming out of their issues. So from next video onwards, for a few more videos, it's going to be deep diving into what we all call the psychological issues, which leads into physiological problems. So till then, enjoy yourself, stay safe, follow all the protocols of COVID. Even if there is no lockdown, just go out only when it is required, because we all have to stay safe, and life has to be enjoyed with a great health. God bless you. God bless India. Atma Namaste. Thank you.